Hi guys, Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Tuesday morning, February 15th, 2011 daily stock report. Here's the Dow 30, no change on the Dow, but had a bias toward the upside on the other indexes. Here's the NASDAQ Composite, up 0.25% today, or almost 8 points, still steadily moving up. S&P 500, about the same amount, up 0.25%. Here's the Russell 2000, up 0.5%, outperforming the other indexes, still making new highs. Here's the volatility index, just hanging around that 16 level, and that should be pretty stable. I think we could stay down here for a while between 15 and 18 and still have a steady uptrend on the indexes. Here's CMG up another 1.6% today. Here's Netflix up 7.1%, up 16.5 points on some good report and an upgrade from some analysts. Looking real good here. This should hold up fairly well. It should have some pretty decent momentum. Maybe not straight up like we saw today and Friday. Here's Apple. Looks like we should start moving up some new highs here. We should start seeing some more all-time new highs made here this week. I pretty much lost my patience on Verizon. Consider selling this one. SIVB finally got moving. Up another 1.2% today after Friday's nice move, breaking out. So we should start seeing some higher highs in that mid-January number. Here's AGO, kind of in the dead zone. This whole sector has been in some really bad press here in the last couple days this weekend, and today is not in a great sector to be moving up. So we might consider closing this long position on AGO. Here's MIPS, higher high today. It went over $15. So steadily moving up here. Let's give it some more time. Let's see how it goes. Here's MJN, slightly higher high today. Might be getting tired on that V rebound from that 57.50, but it'll probably just steadily move up here, trying to get over 61. Keep a tight stop on these. AGCO is stalled at the moment in the last couple of days. Looking for it to get over that 54 and get into that 56 level. We should see that next week or so. Here's Ford, down 1.77%. Pretty much lost my patience with this guy, so consider selling this one. Here's CVD, up 1.9%, acting real healthy here. We got probably a few more days on this one on the long side. This gets over 58, it could start making some new highs. Don't care for this BBG. Okay, QEP is starting to turn here. The last 2 days, real nice move here. Should get in low 40s. Another oil stock. It hasn't really started to move yet, but it did make a higher high to 1864. So we should start seeing it, the corner turned, and move up here to around 20. Stone is starting to move up. Got a higher high on this one from that last Tuesday. Got CLD, Cloud Peak, starting to move up here. Looking for some higher highs here eventually. Probably 24, 25 level. So the uptrend in these stocks are still moving up. There's no reason to be selling too much. Let's take a look at INPH, our only short. This is a bull short pattern. Made a new high today of 5.25 or 5.24, which you can see right here in the second number. This first number is the opening for today. My best guess on this is it'll probably get close to that high of today and be considered gradually opening a short position. And this is really aggressive investors, a very high risk, high reward type of strategy. And you guys really should study this before you do it. And whatever you guys do, please listen to me. Don't get leveraged on these bull shorts because they can really tear you apart. Came from 2, went to 5.25 in a couple days. So there's still very possible to have some run on it. You might start watching this, see if it makes new highs tomorrow. I think it kind of peaked out a little bit today is my best guess. So you guys know the routine. You take care, put the odds in your favor, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.